Now, if you have the premium level membership, which I highly recommend, because it allows you get for one thing, you get 50% off all of your AI processing. You just have to select this. That will automatically select the premium AI that is available at that time. That's the best models we have will be selected, and you'll get a higher quality output. It also allows you to select here this insert contextual link. That that helps you with your internal linking. You can select categories that you want to link to automatically, and then when you generate the AI content, it's going to automatically have a link inside of it, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Right now, you can select up to 5 products, because you got to remember, this isn't just creating content for each one. It's going to also be SEO optimizing and adding links. So it takes a little bit longer than a regular. Some of the competitors, they just process them all at once, maybe 100 products, but then you could end up with a bunch of garbage at the end that's almost useless. This has been optimized by me, and I have 27 years experience in SEO, so I've personally trained the AI to do what I would do. So anyway, when you select this, you just click this button here that says process with AI, and then that is going to run through the process of adding links and optimizing the content, creating your title tags, alt tags, short description, long description, all that stuff. And it takes a few minutes because it's doing each product individually. So if you have a lot of products, just do them in batches. But it saves you hundreds of hours, if not more, and thousands of dollars by having to add all of this information by hand. So it's well worth the wait. Okay, so this is done now. Just click on OK. And that moves it over to the staging area, which allows you to make sure everything looks good before you actually move it to your site. And as you can see, you've got a link here, everything, featured list, everything's well written, scores a 9 or 10. You can click on here and edit it. You can edit anything you want, and then change all this stuff here if you want. Free shipping, maybe you don't offer free shipping, so you might want to remove that. And then just save changes, and you can export right here. Just click on export. It warns you that this is irreversible. It's going to put it on your live site. Click yes. And then that product has been exported. And you'll see your exported products here. You can actually, I don't think that will log in because it's not open to the public yet. But if you click that on your site and it's open to the public, it will open up your that exact product, so you can do edits and then make any edits you need inside your account. Just do that for every product you have here, and then go down the list. That's pretty much it. If you need support, you click on here, fill in this form with as much detail as you can.